They're so dirty. They're so nasty. You know to clean these? Disgusting. Look at all these damn dishes. You still haven't washed this shit?
We just got home.
I don't give a damn. They should have been washed. I'm sick of this shit. Okay. Get some water boiled first. Where's the damn cups at? You better not become an alcoholic if you drink this. Where's the lemons at?
Oh, they're here.
We're supposed to have everything prepared.
You said that you would do it.
No, I said I would make it. I need to do it.
You just need one?
Yeah, just one. One of those rags. Why are you so slow?
Babe, stop being mean.
Just hurry up. I'm sick and tired of you. Now. Okay. This is your kitchen and nothing is clean, organized. Good Lord. So I'm going to slice this lemon in half. You see how I picked the lemons that are juicy? Let's get this. Put that in here. Put that on top and squeeze that lemon juice out. You see that? You see? Look at it. Fold it on its side and squeeze the lemon juice out. Look at that. It's all mush now. I should make you eat that. That might help you.
It's only if you eat first.
You're sick. You need to eat that.
No.
It has the oils in it.
That's gross.
It's not gross. If you're sick, nothing is to be gross, okay? Look at that, okay? For lemons. Where's the honey? I thought I told you to get everything together.
Oh my God.
What now?
Baby.
Just hurry up.
On the floor.
I told you to watch her. Look at the honey. It's local honey. And tomorrow we'll find some. You want some?
No.
Huh?
Is it good? Is that good?
Get it yourself later. Anyways.
Can I just have a little taste?
Here. Look at that honey.
Oh, wait. Huh. Okay.
Okay. Put that in here. Where's the whiskey at? I thought I told you to get everything prepared.
Babe, it's over here.
Yeah, it needs to all be over here. I'm sleepy. Good Lord.
Stop being mean.
So this is the wild turkey 101.
Oh no.
Yep, you getting baby sick too. I told you to wear that mask in the house.
You told me to take it off because I'm not.
I never said that. I said take it off when you shower. You better not miss work again. Now I'm gonna put 1 shot. Okay, you don't want too much. Well, you do, but you ain't getting too much. The boat. Hopefully, it's not too stiff.
Smell it from here.
Yep, we're going to stir this. Melt that lemon.
You mean the honey?
The honey. And the lemon. Stop correcting me. Unless you have a degree in English, don't correct me.
Babe.
Look at that.
It looks like this.
Now let me take a damn video of you. How do you want me to take this damn thing? Like this? What?
Sour.
Yeah, it's supposed to be sour. Don't you know?
It tastes good though.
Lemon juice is sour, and that's something for you to sip on.
Ooh.
It's good?
Yeah, it tastes really good.
Good. And I hope that helped you lose weight too. Good Lord.
That's not gonna help me lose weight. It has whiskey in it.
Well, you never know.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, bye. Now don't bother me. I gotta go to bed.
Love you, babe. Love you, babe.
Oh, stop it.
Love you.
Stop your nonsense. Goodbye.